So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to adjust the contrast of a video here on InShot. So here on InShot, I have my video right here, very basic, just a countdown. If I wanted to adjust the contrast, it's fairly straightforward. Press on the clip that you want to do, go to where it says filter right here, and then press on adjust. On this page right here, press on the bottom where it says contrast. Now, if you wanted to maybe, decrease it or increase it, you can slide it to the right. If you want to decrease it, you can slide it to the left. So if I were to slide it all the way to the right, for example, and then press the check mark and then play the video, the contrast has now been adjusted quite a bit. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can adjust the contrast of a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.